Hello viewers, welcome to online classes day 27. Let us recapitulate the concepts of last session. In the part of human circulatory system, in last class we discussed about internal structure of heart, anatomy of the heart we completed. In internal structure of heart, we learned about the upper chambers atria and the lower chambers ventricles and aorta that arise from ventricles, and the one more component is pending, that is nodal tissue. Follow? So today we are going to finish that topic, that is nodal tissue. So once again, you observe the internal structure of human being heart contain auricles, ventricles, aortic arcs and nodal tissue. So today we are going to learn about nodal tissue. So what is nodal tissue? Do you have idea what is mean nodal tissue? Nodal tissue is nothing but it is a specialized cardiac musculature that associated within wall of the heart. Remember students, already we learned the wall of heart include three layers: epicardium, myocardium and endocardium. Otherwise pericardium, myocardium, endocardium. So the middle layer is myocardium, that include bulk of cardiac muscles. So the nodal tissue is nothing but it is a specialized cardiac musculature. Generally the cardiac muscles for what? uh, propagate the contraction and facilitate contraction and facilitate pulsatory movements of the heart. So contraction is a property of muscle, but these are what? Specialized cardiac musculature, and they never undergoes contraction, but they capable to generate action potential electrical stimuli that initiate the heartbeat. So such kind of cardiac musculature that associated with wall of heart called what? Nodal tissue. Followed? Right? It include modified cardiac muscles. Followed? The cardiac muscles whatever associated with nodal tissue, they never contracts, but they able to generate the stimuli. Remember students, so the nodal tissue forms electrical system of the heart. So you observe this visual, it meant for conduction of impulse all over the heart. You verify this visual. In this visual, clearly in what way the nodal tissue generating electrical stimuli and transmitting the stimuli all over the heart, it is very clear. Followed? So remember, the nodal tissue forms what? Electrical system of heart. It is strictly meant for propagating impulse all over the heart. Followed? Right. The nodal tissue of heart include following components. You observe they are sinoatrial node, abbreviated form SAN, atrioventricular node, also called as AVN, and His bundle, otherwise AV bundle, and fourth one Purkinje fibers. Followed? The remember students, the nodal tissue of heart, the conducting system of heart include four components, namely sinoatrial node, atrioventricular node, and atrioventricular bundle and Purkinje fibers. Followed? Let us learn in detail about each and every component. The first component is sinoatrial node. Before that, you verify the all these component in this diagram. This is the section view of heart, and you verify the sinoatrial node. It is sinoatrial node, and second component is atrioventricular node, this one, and third component AV bundle, this one, and fourth component Purkinje fibers, this one. Followed? So with let us see the first component, that is sinoatrial node. It's abbreviated form SAN. So very important. The sinoatrial node located where you observe the location of sinoatrial node, where it's seated. You have to identify the chambers of heart. The upper chambers, they are atria. So the mark circle placed at right atriums, and in middle green color node is present, that is sinoatrial node. So the sinoatrial node located at upper corner of right atrium. Remember students, this location is very important. Where it located? It located at upper corner of right atrium, at the near the opening of superior vena cava, otherwise precaval vein. What is superior vena cava? It is a major vein that collects deoxygenated blood from our anterior parts of our body. It collects deoxygenated blood from our anterior parts of the body. Followed? So that superior vena cava open into right atrium. Where it opens, near that opening, what to be remain? SAN to be remain. Sinoatrial node to be remain. That is the location of SAN. And next, what is significance of SAN? Let us see. The SAN, commonly called as primary pacemaker. It is commonly called as primary pacemaker. What is mean primary pacemaker? Why it considered as primary pacemaker? It is nothing but the SAN capable to generate action potential without any stimuli. Alright? So the SAN produces, generates the stimuli, generates the action potential, which initiates the heartbeat. Alright? So the action potential origin here, the SAN capable to generate action potential without any stimuli, hence it is termed as pacemaker. And the our heart is termed as myogenic heart. Our heart termed as myogenic heart. Why our heart termed as myogenic heart? Let us see. Myo means what? Muscle. Genic means origin. Myogenic heart. What is mean myogenic heart? The stimuli required to initiate a heartbeat. Action potential required to initiate heartbeat. So the initiation of heartbeat launched by muscles here. So SAN is made up of with cardiac musculature. It able to generate action potential. So here the heartbeat initiated by group of musculature. That's why our heart termed as myogenic heart. Follow? So the SAN generate action potential without any stimuli, which is made up of with muscle fibers, modified cardiac muscle fiber. So here in our heart, the muscle fibers going to initiate the heartbeat. That's why our heart is myogenic heart. So base, it is one more information, it is formed by specialized cardiomyocyte, SAN, made up of with specialized cardiomyocytes. You verify in visual representation, that is SAN. The SAN going to produce action potential and propagating all over the atria and subsequent parts of conducting system. Follow? So that is the significance of SAN. And next, you observe based on initiation of heartbeat in animals, the heart categorizes two variants. One is neurogenic heart, another one is myogenic heart. What is neurogenic heart? Neuro means nerve fibers. Genic means origin. So the heartbeat initiated by group of neurons, group of nerve cells, group of nerve fibers starts the heartbeat. Such kind of heart called what? Neurogenic heart. It to be found in annelids and arthropods. And next, second one is what? Myogenic heart. What initiated by muscle fibers. Just now we learned found in molluscans and all vertebrates. Myogenic heart found in molluscans and all vertebrates. In about neurogenic and myogenic heart in detail we will learn next sessions. Yes, the sino-auricular node features you observe a mass of fibers that arise from the SAN and extended from SAN to wall of the left atrium. So such mass of fibers termed as Bachmann's bundle. Followed? The group of fibers, a mass of fibers that extended from sinoatrial node and innervate in the wall of atrium called Bachmann's bundle. You verify this visual. So from SAN a bundle going to extend. You observe the pink color mark. Alright. So this is mass of fiber that going to innervate in the wall of left atria, left auricle. That bundle is called Bachmann's bundle. Right. Next, the subsequent part atrioventricular node AVN. What is AVN? The AVN is located in the wall of right atrium same but at lower corner. Alright. SAN located at upper corner but AVN located at lower corner. Followed? Right. So it is nearby opening of coronary sinus. What is coronary sinus? The coronary veins collects deoxygenated blood from the wall of heart. They open in a sac that is coronary sinus that open into right atrium. At near the opening of coronary sinus, the AVN located. You have verified. That is AVN location. Right, features of AVN, let us see. Right. The AVN called pace setter, relay point, remember. It also called secondary pacemaker, ectopic pacemaker, pace setter and relay station, relay point. Whatever action potential generated from SAN, all that action potential, that stimuli propagated all over the wall of heart, that is by what? AVN. So it is possible, it is mediated by AVN. Hence the AVN termed as pace setter, relay point, relay station, secondary pacemaker, ectopic pacemaker. Followed? Right. Next, let us see internodal tracts. What are internodal tracts? These are mass of fibers that joins sinoauricular node with auriculoventricular node. So there is a link between SAN and AVN. You verify this visual. Connection is there. Why? Because for propagation of electrical stimuli, link is there. The mass of fibers going to connect SCAN with AVN, such fibers termed as internodal tracts, they are arranged as circular fashion. You verify anterior, middle and posterior. So these are internodal tracts. Followed? Right. Next, the subsequent part of nodal tissue, third one, atrioventricular bundle, AV bundle, also called His bundle. What is His bundle? It is also mass of fibers. It is also mass of fibers that extended from AVN and continues along the interventricular septum. Such fibers called AV bundle, otherwise His bundle. You verify the yellow color bundle arise from AVN and going to extend along the interventricular septum up to apex of the heart. So that is AV bundle, His bundle. Followed? Right? Next, the AV bundle extend up to apex of the heart and it splitted as two branches. It gave rise to branches. They are left branch of bundle of His. You verified left branch, that is left branch, and right branch of bundle of His. You verify this is right branch. Followed? So again AV bundle forms how many branches? Two branches, namely left branch of bundle of His, right branch of bundle of His. Right? Yes. Next, the another part of nodal tissue, the last part of nodal tissue, that is Purkinje fibers. Followed? What are Purkinje fibers? These are branched minute fibers that are arise from His bundle and extend in the wall of ventricle. So the right and left branches of His bundle gave rise a mass of minute fibers which called Purkinje fibers. Such Purkinje fibers extend in ventricular musculature. You observe they form a network in the ventricular musculature, branched network, minute fibers arising from branches of His bundle. Followed? So these are called Purkinje fibers. They forms Purkinje system in ventricular musculature. All Purkinje fibers together forms Purkinje system in the ventricular musculature. Followed, students? So this is about Purkinje system. And next, the Purkinje fibers innervates throughout the ventricular musculature. Right, let us see the conduction of action potential across these components. So the nodal tissues strictly meant for conducting stimuli all over the heart. In what way the impulse generated, stimuli generated, in what way it transmitted all over the wall of heart, let us see. So first, the action potential generated by primary pacemaker, that is SAN, followed sinoatrial node. So the generated action potential from SAN spread into wall of atria and as well as through the internodal fibers it reaches AVN. Followed? So the stimuli from SAN spread all over the wall of right, all over the wall of atria, and simultaneously it propagate into AVN, atrioventricular node. Then the atrioventricular node propagates stimuli into bundle of His. Followed? So the bundle of His picks stimuli from AVN. Later the stimuli from bundle of His propagated into Purkinje fibers network, Purkinje system. Through Purkinje system, the stimuli passes into ventricular musculature. This is sequence of propagation of action potential. Follow students. So next we will see the conduction of action potential in detail. The generation of action potential from sinoauricular nodes. So it is a pacemaker. It able to generate action potential which initiates the heartbeat. So this is in this phenomena. So you observe that is SAN and going to produce action potential and spread all over the atria. Hello? And later it becomes by AVN. Next, the subsequent propagation of action potential from SAN to AVN. You observe this visual representation. So the action potential going to move from SAN to AVN. Follow? So action potential propagated from SAN to AVN. Followed? Right. Next, then you observe propagation of action potential by His bundle, AV bundle. So from AVN, in what way the impulse propagated? Just use it. That is next, the last change, conduction of action potential, His bundle to Purkinje fibers to ventricular musculature. You verify. So this is a visual representation that represents the sequence of conducting impulse. That's all. Propagation of stimuli all over the ventricle, right? So it is like this phenomena. You verify this visual representation so that initiates heartbeat and propagate pulsatory movements of the heart, contraction and relaxation, systole and diastole. Follow? This is the phenomena uh, that extended through the conducting system of the heart, right? So in next class we are going to discuss the working of heart, cardiac cycle. Followed? So in next session we are going to discuss about cardiac cycle.